Hello everyone, I am Lolita Fitra Herwanda will explain the usefulness of the Pixton and how to use Pixton. Pixton is a free online comic that is accessible to all. Pixton was created to create and share engaging digital comics, be it as entertainment media or learning media. An application that allows users to create and customize their own comic strips and graphic novels with a wide variety of tools and features. Next, I will explain how to use Pixton. First, visit the Pixton website at this link, pixton.com. Then you can choose between these three options and I choose for educators. Just a moment. Then register with your account with Google account or Microsoft account or Clever account. It's up to you. There are many options and to create your comic, click My Comics. Then click Create Now. Let's choose the background. Actually, there are many types of the background, but I prefer school background. Okay, I prefer this picture. Okay, let's click character to add person. Click add person. You can choose. There are many types of character. Okay, let's looking for student character. Okay, first is female character. Let's choose her skin and her hair color. Okay, let's add person. Looking for a male character. Let's choose his skin and his hair color. Okay, click action. Click body pose. Let's choose body pose for her. Okay, click face. To choose her expression, click expression. Okay, looking for set expression. Okay, now for him. Okay, I prefer this expression. Okay, let's choose him body pose. Click this. Okay, now click words. Click speech to give a dialect sentence. Why you are looking so upset, Anna? Click this. Okay, now for her. I forgot to submit my assignment, Jack. Okay, click this. Okay, have done. If you wanna add comic, you can click this symbol. Okay, click done and give title for your comic. Sadness at school. Continue. Okay, you can download. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.